seatbelt brakes. I wonder why. Alright, let me take it easy. I gotta make money off this junk. Psych! On today's episode of Hauling Hoopties with Rob, we pick up a 2000 Nissan Versa and a 2015 GMC Terrain in Lakewood, New Jersey.
Well, so all you need to do to drive it off the lot is title only.
Take the next right on Miller Avenue. Then turn
All you need to do to drive it off the lot is title only. But for title tags and everything, you need insurance, and then it's probably gonna be like around, yeah, probably like $3 something.
In 500 feet, turn right onto New Jersey 88 East.
Is there a sound big? There's not one big.
Well, she has to be present there. All right, well, just give me a call. I'm on 2nd and 2, but somebody else already called me this morning about it. I'm not going to be back till like around 12 o'clock, and they're supposed to meet me there at 12 o'clock, so. Yep. I got that and a Pontiac G6, that's it. Or unless you want trucks. Yeah.
Your destination is on the right.
Alright, there's a Terrain. But the Terrain doesn't have power steering. That's why it was cheap. So it probably has a busted power steering line. 26 stickers. Try the power steering. Try to steer it. Open the hood. Open the hood real quick, let me see. Probably just throw some power steering fluid in there. I don't know where the power steering fluid is on this junk. No, okay. Yeah, screw that. Oh, you know what? I think this has electric power steering. This has electric power steering, I think. Don't worry about it, just go, it's cheap. Somebody. Oh, look at that windshield, real nice and cracked, just about like them. I need to lose some weight. I can't fit in here, shit. Ah. Ugh. Didn't sound too good starting up. This junk has to make it back an hour. Back to Hoopie headquarters, so let's see. Nissans are junk. Alright, we got oil. We got antifreeze. What's that? Some of those have electric power steering.
Nah, that's seat of reservoir.
Alright, good. Alright. A little tappy, it's junk, but it is what it is. But that was cheap. I don't know what I paid for it, but it was pretty cheap. Some of the newer ones have electric power steering. I know the Malibus do. why I bought it.
Bro,
It doesn't matter. It's $2,500. It's a 2015. Might be worth more. Get my gloves. It's fucking
fixed.
It's cold.
Power steering price without just the way it is probably $2 grand.
Damn.
Starting like you got heat.
What?
Starting like you got heat.
Listen. If dudes can say they're men, I mean women rather, I can be I can pretend like I got heat. It's cold today. And the OG tow truck has no heat. Period. Because the heater cord is disconnected. But it is what it is.
Probably gonna stop and get gas. It's only got like a
Quarter?
a little bit less than a quarter. I'll wait till the light comes on.
You gotta pay for the tolls, Bean. Huh? You gotta pay for the tolls. You got money?
Yeah.
Pay for the tolls, I'll get back to you. Alright, hoopty number 1, hoopty number 2. They're all hoopties, they're all junk. Let's head back to the hoopty headquarters.
You've got mail.
Alright, we're back at the hoopty headquarters. Let's unload this junk and see how it runs. See how fast I can load the trailer up? Faster than your crappy trailer.
So nothing with this.
You crazy. Go ahead. Title should be in tomorrow for the Versa.
Yeah, it was Jersey.
Doesn't matter, go get it DX'd. It'll be ready by the end of the week, hopefully. I gotta put some. Gotta spray those when we go to pick up the other junk. I really need to clean that trailer good. Alright, let's see how this junk runs. Nice. Look this up. Make sure it doesn't have.
It's got a reservoir.
You see the reservoir?
Yes.
Okay. Shifting alright. Motor sounds alright. No exhaust leak. It's got 3.6, yeah. Navigation, all the good stuff. I like the dashboard. I actually like this. These are junk. 3.6 is junk. 6-speed junky transmission.
You've got mail. You've got mail.
Moves. That thing shifts pretty good on the highway.
Yeah, it's hard.
I thought that was ECBT or whatever.
Nah, it's got a reservoir.
All right, well, that's better.
Hello? Yeah, Sam. Yeah. I probably could use a coil pack, but other than that, I mean, it's a work truck. It runs, it drives. I'm in Alney, Philly.
You've got mail.
Yep. Say it again? 4 o'clock. Yeah. Alright. Yep, just give me a call before you head out. Alright. Blow this fucking thing up.
It's mine. Don't worry about it. These are the same motors the Camaros have, and the brand new. Actually, the brand new Camaro's pretty quick with the V6.
I think that's 300 horsepower.
Yeah,
330.
they do like 13s from the factory with a 6-cylinder, which is pretty impressive. Well, yeah. Problem is, these have that stupid cam phaser bullshit, cylinder deactivation, all this shit that causes problems. Make sure the train is good, and it is. It's a good one.
This will tear your shit up.
Yeah,
It will.
It feels fast. Don't mean it's fast.
Yeah, it will.
Like I said, it feels fast. Doesn't mean it's fast. I've driven cars that I thought were fast, and I got torn up. I smell brakes. I wonder why. Alright, let me take it easy. I gotta make money off this junk. Psych!
You even check the oil and beat the shit out.
Don't worry about it. If it blows up, it blows up. I haven't got this real cheap. Alright, what do you want to do? You want to back this in? Alright, we'll get the other two junkers real quick. Hopefully make a sale today. We'll be good. Alright, let's just go. We'll get that done. Here. How you doing? Actually, let me check the oil in this real quick. What's up, brother? Everything's good, man.
No, my Ford, how you feeling? My Ford looking for a car. Or SUV.
Well, send him over.
What's wrong with this? What's wrong with this?
Got it in, so I'm not sure yet.
Yeah, no title.
No, he went like an SUV there.
I got
The
the Escalade.
Escalade's gonna be for sale, yeah.
How much you want for that?
25.
Huh?
25.
Yeah, not bad. Need some money. It's been a long time since I found any money in cars. Alright guys, like, subscribe, stay tuned. New videos coming every week. As we bring more Hoopties in.
I'm taking shots at the enemy. I'm gonna make it to the top.